Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is day 285. I am Sabah al-Klaus, and I wanted to try something a little different today. This is what Cairo sounds like. One of the benefits of this platform is you get immediate feedback. So the engagement data will tell a story. But it's also an opportunity to tell a story about life here in a different way. You know, I'm Muslim, so I prayed every day. I read Quran every day. I was squatting every day, but I left my gym. I wrote a story about that in my Substack if you want more information. So now I do burpees every day. I've been improving spiritually, physically, intellectually, and that type of growth takes time. The inspiration behind Get Leche is taking a lifetime to pursue something so important that you can die without obtaining it, and it still would have been worth trying to get there. To some that might be tragic, but to me, there's no greater love story. If you're considering making Hijrah, schedule for a free consultation to talk about your plans. You can find out more information in the description box.